In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Start by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Notifications after scrolling down. Now select App Notifications at the top. Many people miss that before managing any notifications, you should select All at the top and sort your apps by choosing if you want to see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, or disabled notifications. I will go with most recent, so I have to click here. Now, to block notifications from any app, tap on blue switcher next to it. To switch them on, click on the same, no gray one. If you are looking for a specific app, quick tip, click on this icon at the top right corner next to three dots and just type in your app to manage it the same way right away. Last but not least, you can also click on any app on the left and manage all its notifications by clicking on this switcher next to Allow Notifications to turn them on or off, or adjusting them however you wish to over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!